So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be working on the Pajero. Um, Actually, we're gonna diagnose it and hopefully my diagnosis is correct. I was driving it earlier and there wasn't any problems, there wasn't any overheating. But then I parked for quite a long time, about 15 minutes, and I've noticed the temperature was going up and the AC was a little bit getting warm. So I already have a hunch. Now let's find out if it's correct. Well, my hunch is the auxiliary fan. So let's see. So I removed the grill, checked the auxiliary fan, and started the vehicle. I knocked on the auxiliary fan and it worked. And now I'm trying to replicate the situation that I was in earlier this morning, and I've been sitting here 1 o'clock in the afternoon at 44 degrees for about 30 minutes and it's holding on. Car temperature is at 99. AC is fine. So I guess knocking the auxiliary fan made it work, and it's not. It kept on working. So what do you think, guys? Should I do a preventive thing? Clean the brushes. I'm sure the brushes are almost gone. 40,000, 50,000 kilometers with a lot of idle time. Or should I wait for it to to stop totally? Let me know. Comment below. So I still sat in the car for about another 15 minutes and temperature never went up and AC was holding on. So I don't know. I was hoping it was the auxiliary fan, but it was running well now. Couldn't be the mechanical fan, because if it's the mechanical fan, it would overheat even when you're driving. Fluid is okay. So I'm still thinking if I should do a preventive maintenance on the fan. You know, open the motor, check the brush. Might as well change it, but I'm lazy. So I'll probably just keep it for now, and let's see. Hopefully it will occur again when I'm driving, not when the wife is, or else she's gonna kill me. So that's it. Peace. Let me know. So this will be one of the future projects. So let's measure. It's 15 right now by 28. 18 by 20, and it's possible to push it up to 24 and up to 32, 24, 32. So this video ended up to be a how to remove your grill and put it back. So tabs, I'm here, I might as well tell you how. So tabs, 3 tabs. Push it downwards. Down, 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 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 push tabs. One here. Here. Ta-da!